Hello everyone, this is Umar back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to share a Google Sheet with you that you can use to analyze a ratio between commercial and informational pages. Generally, we have 60% of the content on website that is informational in intent and 40% of it has money pages, or what do we call as commercial pages, right? So informational content is basically for supporting our commercial or money pages, right? So normally we don't have an idea whether or not how many pages are commercial and how many of them are informational. So this is going to help you to analyze all of that using your sitemap links, right? So it basically analyzes all of that based on the keywords that are presented in your title, or your keywords, right? So if you have best, top, review, reviews, or these kind of words in your title, it will mark that post as a commercial or money page, right? So without further ado, let's get started. So here is the sheet that I was talking about, and let us just take an example website here. Full disclaimer, I don't own this website, and this sheet was originally created by Steve Toth from SEO Notebook. In that original sheet, basically Steve was analyzing those pages based on only two words, best and reviews, right? So I just added more keywords that are used to present your commercial articles, that are versus, review, reviews, top, right? So that is just the second version of the original sheet. So yeah, here's the example website. Let me just copy the sitemap link here. You can see I'm copying the post sitemap here, right? So we will paste the post sitemap in the column 1. You can paste up to round about 60 sitemaps. That's a lot in my opinion, right? So this is just loading and loading. We will see the report. All right, so it is processing all of those posts and it's done, right? So we have 100% of informational pages here. Since this website has informational content all the way, it doesn't have any money pages, but we are going to analyze a website with money pages as well, right? So this website passed our test, but the point is basically it is extracting the title tag from this URL and then tagging those titles as informational or commercial in nature. You will get my point in a second. So I'm gonna copy the post sitemaps here for the website called gimbalgarage.com, and let me just clean the URLs. All right, so this is not the part of process. I didn't have the sitemaps copied on clipboard, so I'm going to paste these sitemaps in the first sheet, right? So here we go. So since these sitemaps has a lot of posts, I'm going to present you the second sheet that is called keyword basis. This sheet was not present in the original sheet, right? So I created it basically. So let's suppose you don't have a sitemap, but you have a list of keywords and you want to analyze how many of them are commercial and informational in nature, right? So you are just going to paste all of those keywords that you analyzed or researched, and it will just let you know how many of them are commercial in nature, right? So we have an example sheet here. I don't know which website has these keywords, so this is just these are just sample keywords. So we are gonna copy these keywords and then we will paste these keywords in our keyword basis sheet, right? So we have those keywords already pasted here. So you can see this script analyzed all of these keywords and then tagged them as money pages or informational content. And from this scenario, we can see we have 68% of money pages and 32% of them are informational pages. This flag tells you like you don't have a lot of informational content like 60% above as compared to your commercial pages, right? This is just a rule of thumb. This is not a policy that you must have a 60% content, 60% informational content on your website in order to rank. That's not the case. So this is just to get the idea, right? So I think our report has been finished. Let's see. So for the Gimbal Garage website, we have 53% money pages and 47% informational pages. So if I were to manage this website, I would basically add more informational pages that can support my commercial or money pages, right? So I think that's it. If you have any questions or if you have any feedback, just do let me know in comments. Thank you. Bye bye.